Zooming with energy. Unlock the power of English expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, zooming with energy. This phrase is not just about speed or movement. It's about embodying vitality and enthusiasm in what we do. Whether you're learning English for work, travel, or fun, understanding such expressions can really bring your language skills to life. So, let's get started and explore what it means to be zooming with energy. Zooming with energy combines two key words, zooming and energy. To zoom means to move or travel very quickly, often with a humming or buzzing sound. It's a verb that brings to mind fast cars, airplanes, or even someone running rapidly. On the other hand, energy refers to the strength and vitality required for sustained physical or mental activity. It's about having the power and stamina to keep going. When we put these words together, zooming with energy describes a person or action that's full of life, enthusiasm, and vigor. It's like saying someone is bursting with so much energy that they're moving through their tasks or life at full speed and efficiency. To better understand this expression, let's look at some examples. 1. In the workplace, imagine a colleague who starts their day full of ideas, tackling every task with gusto and finishing projects well ahead of deadlines. They're truly zooming with energy, making the most out of every minute. 2. In personal life, think of a friend who, despite having a busy schedule, still finds time to go for a run, meet up with friends, and pursue hobbies. They approach every day with such positivity and drive that they seem to be zooming with energy. 3. In learning, consider a student who is enthusiastic about acquiring new knowledge, participates actively in class, and always goes the extra mile in their studies. Their passion and dedication show that they are zooming with energy in their educational pursuits. Incorporating expressions like zooming with energy into your speech can make your English more vivid and expressive. Here are a few tips. When describing someone's actions or demeanor, especially if they're doing something with a lot of enthusiasm and vigor. To motivate or encourage others. For example, if you're leading a team, you might say, "Let's start this project zooming with energy." In self-reflection, to express your own goals or state of mind. You might write in a journal, "This week, I'm zooming with energy towards my fitness goals." And that's a wrap on Zooming with Energy. We hope this video has energized your English learning journey and inspired you to embrace this vibrant expression in your daily life. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about capturing the essence of life's dynamism. So, go ahead and zoom with energy in your conversations, writings, and thoughts. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.